I'm Sagar. My team name is Team 5. My idea name is Smart Mobility. I'm studying in Delhi Public School, Mahindra Hills, class ninth. Let's go to the problem statement. Speeding is a major cause of road accident and fatalities. Many vehicles ignore speed limit due to lack of continuous monitoring, delayed detection, or manual enforcement gaps. And we need an automatic low cost temper resistant system that detects speed limit violations in real time and notifies both driver and authority, reducing speed related accidents. The proposed solution for the idea is the to solve the problem of overspeeding and reduce road accidents. I propose a satellite connected speed enforcement chip that is installed in a vehicle. This chip continuously monitors the speed of the vehicle using GPS and satellite connectivity. If the vehicle crosses the speed limit of the particular road, the chip automatically detects the violation and sends a warning to the driver. How the solution idea works. Through the satellite GPS model, receives the real-time speed and location of the vehicle. Microcontroller and processing unit compares the current speed with the legal speed limit. Communication system. Then a violation occurs, the device sends data to the traffic management alert and AutoChallan system. If the driver exceeds the speed limit, first goes to the warning alert. My future plans: collaboration with the traffic authorities, mobile app and dashboard, emergency and special vehicle models, blockchain based secure challan system, and etc. Thank you.